Here are 3 reasons of why decision-making is a relevant topic to leaders. First of all, decision-making is an evergreen important topic. Every executive out there knows firsthand what it is like to make decisions under risk and uncertainty. That's what they do. That's their job. Whether they're setting corporate strategy, implementing digital transformation, or dealing with a global pandemic, executives make decisions and put them in place. Now, I often talk about leadership capacity. And for me, the leadership capacity of an organization is the collective ability to make decisions and follow through on them. And the greater your leadership capacity, the greater the size of the dent you can leave on the universe, to quote Steve Jobs, since we're in the Silicon Valley, right? And for that, you need to be really good at making decisions. Secondly, as with so many other things, it is important to step back. Most of the times, executives are in the middle of the actions, just doing decisions, making stuff, doing stuff. However, it is valuable to step back and prompt some reflection and calibration. How do we make better decisions? How do we make decisions better? How do we increase our leadership capacity? And then lastly, I have to point out that most decision makers are actually unhappy with the decisions that are being made. There were some surveys that McKinsey did a few years back, and the surveys said something like this: about 10 or more than 10% of managers thought that good strategic decisions are rare in their organization. And then maybe 60% said that you see good decisions as often as you see bad decisions. And only less than 30% said that their organization makes generally good strategic decisions. So for all these reasons, it's important to talk about decision making.